Hey guys, I'm Shubham Raheja from Tech Insider India, and here are the top features of the Glen Straight Line Chimney 6000 Junior. This chimney from Glen is made from high quality materials and comprises modern yet practical design elements that uplift the look of your kitchen. It is fitted with stainless steel baffle filters that are easy to clean and are long lasting. It also comes equipped with a 155 watt copper motor and has a suction area of 1000 cubic meters. It can work in a voltage range of 220 to 240 volts at 50 Hz. It comes with 3 different speed settings and LED lamps that help illuminate the cooking area. Finally, it also comes with easy to maintain grease filters as well, so maintenance is an easy business with this.
Stunning designs matched with exceptional performance. Experience the range of built-in appliances from Elica, designed to make your kitchen truly international.